Le blianta beaganús hat Spántais imreoirí na hÉireann tar 60 san AFLW. Den níos mó airnig ná riamh páirteach is léir go go scilne láideach agus achliacht tristal go mór bhain baint na hastrála. Céad na hÉireannig a heasamach an máta hain. Seo túris go bhachtar amachtánacha bhabta hain den AFLW fé.
For Cero as Muyo, then going to gailist ahantans in AFLW, two to Jerry Seachtaine Intach going to Éireannacha, the cool agus Cantaith here to Collingwood and the Sydney Swans.
Here's Porter. Just puts it into space for the speeds to row. Will it sit at will for Sarah? And she goes!
Sydney Swans a Cuyaga, Collingwood, Circle Cuig. The Irish Road touch immert could litrum agus go black clear. Van star bunch of mahike an AFLW on coolest top of the reef, fresh dear a second day and eine Giants. Ben and Head or a love lagan early road in a cave cliff. Shachtu do and night.
Oh my goodness! How incredible was that?
That is one of the most amazing things you'll ever see.
Evans gets there first for the Giants. Yep. It's the hand pass out. O'Dowd from the pocket this time. And she's kicked her second. On fire.
Bhíonn chéad Thurgan chunne nuair fuair Fremantle Canis Fire ar na Bombers agus iad sa Mile. Fheiceál Aisling McCarthy is tibredar na chéad cúgan na Dockers, an chéad canna scóráil siad dómh ó tháinig sé hoca ón na Eagles. Bhí Anya Tai a rás sa tréis Deireadh. A Carachúil fáte Nishice a méid céine sa fúsí in éon clifa eile.
And that's 3 in a row. Couldn't quite make the distance down there was Newton trying to dribble it through Tai. She's everywhere. And just the 4 wins last season. But Tai slots it through. 9 goals last year in her 8 games. For number 4. She's the most exciting player on the park.
Bhí cólaigh Rachel Curran sa dara le ach in dhiaidh sin beignde teachtamach is í gortathe.
She snaps towards goal and is floating, it is wobbling, it is going home.
Bhí Kate Kenny ag gimmert a céad clifa le Geelong as fuair sin a céad cúil ina céad clifa.
It's a goal to Geelong.
Anion Iirithí na man, bhí na Demons, Rowa. Damse Sinead Coldrick is Black Clia, Costendor Demon Star, a céad cúil rias in AFLW. Sa carcha cahrú clifa ecce, agus in séú séasúr. Land blowing Mackin is Ardwacha as we should concede done Gaydor.
Mackin squeezes a kick through. Oh, these Irish beauties! Can they control the oval ball? Even in the most blustery of conditions, that was not a conventional flight path. Momentum stifled slightly and now she drives it forward. Parry the target, rises early. Aisling Maloney's got separation. A snap, a curling kick towards goal has missed. The margin is 1 point.
Bhí ráchúlaigh Eileen Gilroy's Mayo agus bhí ráchúlaigh Anya McDonough a Scaile chumá. Bhí beirt chonad Harbh controirteach a láir fad de Hawthorn agus iad a gimmert nai Carlton Linnerá Dana Finn.
McDonough, little hand to Gilroy, reels it in, heads goalward and slams through their second. A lovely couple of minutes here late in the term by the Hawks. Doesn't have the carry because of the wind. Gilroy turns on her right foot, goalward. Gilroy, she's got 2 now.
Pure weight of numbers here for the Hawks now. 9 inside 50s to 2 in this second quarter, and a little bit of Gaelic magic there from Aileen Gilroy with a snap around the body. She knew it straight away as well. Straight off the boot, she was saluting the crowd.
Peeling it away was Skepper. Went for territory, but it's going to come back inside. 50 as McDonough was in best position, would carry on the ball. So Anya McDonough from directly in front. Adds another one to the board for the Hawks as they stretch that margin out.
Tá Vicky Waller in AFLW. Níor thóg seach 9 second oirí a chéad cúla anseo.
Comes out, tackled by Randall. Spillage created. Chance for Vicky Wall. North gets the opening goal.
First Hamalella bhí an Éireannacha agus ceant éh hir. Níor bhí Vicky an tendana bhí déine éachtaí. Bhí ní Martin Tiberdar an amach amach. Báthúil Eccleston agus bua glán gan chunne ag na Roos ar na Brisbane Lions.
Wall opens up the angle on her left boot and bends it around beautifully. North have got 6 for the term.
Mrán na Héireann, cúl is fiche ar géidir seachtaine. As cosúil go méid séasúr íontach ag na Gael.